Hey everyone, Jai Jagannath. I welcome you all to the hardware tutorial where we will learn to clean our fans, not the ceiling fan, our laptop's fan. But before, let's understand the use of these fans. A laptop's fan circulates air to cool the internal components of the laptop and prevent overheating. Without a fan, a laptop could overheat and get damaged. Overheating can lead to performance degradation, instability, or even permanent damage. If our laptop's fan isn't working properly, we might notice excessive heat by just keeping or placing our hands over the laptop's keypad or keyboard, or even we can notice unusual shutdowns, or while working with our laptops, we can hear some loud noise of the fans. To know the temperature of our laptop, we can use some softwares or even do some coding. In future, I will make one tutorial for that also, don't worry, but for now, we'll only concentrate on hardware. To prevent overheating, we can use a cooling pad. I personally use this cooling pad which has 6 small fans, and most important advantages of this product is we can use this one as both stand and a cooling pad, and I bought this one from Amazon. So those who need the product link personally, just comment below. So this is my HP Pavilion Gaming Laptop, and I am using this since more than 4 years, and truly I have not done any servicing or cleaning. But recently I faced some unusual things are happening with my laptop, so I decided to deep clean it. One most important thing, if you don't have proper equipments, then don't try it yourself. I repeat, if you don't have proper equipments, then don't try it yourself. Rather than you can visit a service center or the shop from where you bought the laptop. Now let's don't waste more time and directly start doing its operation. First of all, we will unscrew the screws, and remember, screws of different length should be kept one side or together, because at the time of assembling we should not get any confusion. Till the screws are getting unscrewed, let's know the reason behind overheating. First, dust accumulation. Second, heavy workload. Third, faulty fan. Fourth, poor ventilation. Fifth, old thermal paste. Sixth, improper usage like using your laptop while plugged in and set to high performance mode. Now as we can see, our screws are unscrewed. Let's use our nails or a card or a knife like hard material can be used to open this back cover. But remember, whatever we do, it should be slow and gentle. Using a brush, we can clean the dust particles and blow some air by our mouth with high pressure to the portion where brush cannot reach properly. Now clean the fans with the help of brush, but remember, don't remove or unscrew the fans or dismantle it, because if the alignment get disturbed, then you may face problems while operating the laptop, or you have to get a new fan in place of your old fan. So be careful, just blow some air, use brushes, and it's done. Now we will change the thermal paste for CPU and GPU. So we are unscrewing this thermal line. Till the thermal line is getting unscrewed, let's know how to get rid of overheating. First, clean the vents. Second, check the fan is working properly or not. Third, replace the thermal paste. Fourth, adjust power setting. Fifth, use a laptop stand, or for heavy use a cooling pad. Sixth, last but not the least, monitor your system temperature. This white substance is my laptop's old thermal paste, and degraded old thermal paste cannot effectively transfer heat away from the processor and graphics card. So we will replace it, but be careful. Now gently tighten all the screws. At last, cross-check all the screws are tightened properly or not. Lastly, we are cleaning the cover or the vent and tightening the remaining screws. You have seen how much dust were there. Now by this way, you can clean your keypad or keyboard. But remember, whatever you do, it must be slow and gentle, or else you will damage your laptop by yourself. Lastly, use a sanitizer with soft cloth or a tissue paper to clean your laptop screen or display and other parts of the laptop that are present outside. I hope now you have knowledge of hardware and know how to clean the laptop's fan and other parts. But remember, use the proper equipments like screwdriver mainly to remove or insert the screws. Now what are you waiting for? Go and protect your laptop from overheating. Till then, have fun. Bye bye. Jai Jagannath. Signing off.